In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox step by step so you can get websites, forms, videos, and interactive features working properly again. This is a quick setting change, and it's useful whether JavaScript was turned off by accident, by an extension, or during troubleshooting. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your dock, your taskbar, or your applications menu. Once Firefox is open, you'll see the main browser window and the address bar at the top. Next, click inside the address bar and type about config, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page. This area lets you view and change deeper browser settings that are not usually found in the regular menu. If this is your first time opening about config, Firefox will show you a warning message saying that changing advanced preferences can affect performance and security. That's completely normal. To continue, click accept the risk and continue. This will bring you into the configuration page where you can search for the JavaScript setting. Now, at the top of the page, click in the search preference name box. Type JavaScript enabled exactly as shown. Firefox will filter the results and display the matching preference underneath the search bar. This is the setting that controls whether JavaScript is turned on or off in the browser. Take a look at the value next to JavaScript enabled. If it says true, then JavaScript is already enabled and you do not need to change anything. If it says false, then JavaScript is currently disabled, and that is likely why some websites are not working properly. To change it, click the toggle button on the right side of the preference. The value will switch between true and false. If you want JavaScript enabled, make sure the setting is set to true. If you ever need to disable it again for troubleshooting or privacy reasons, you can toggle it back to false using the same button. Once you've made the change, you can simply close the tab and continue browsing. There's no complicated save button, and in most cases, the change takes effect immediately. You may want to refresh any page that wasn't working before so the browser can load it again with JavaScript enabled, and that's it. You've now learned how to enable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox. This is one of those small browser settings that can make a big difference when websites are not loading correctly or features seem broken. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.